Welcome to Chemistry Online. So, in previous class we discussed surface chemistry introduction and physical absorption, chemical absorption differences. Today we are going to discuss one more important topic, that is teacher's day special question, that is compulsory for 4 marks. So that is as a teacher, that is gift from my side. We are going to discuss catalysis and types of catalysis. Okay, so first of all, you know what is catalysis. What is catalysis? See, you know catalyst. You know catalyst. So what is catalyst means? It is a third substance, and reactant products are primary and secondary, and next it is a third substance added to chemical reaction which increases the rate of the reaction without consuming, which increases the rate of reaction and which does not change the chemical nature. Just the substance, chemical substance which increases the rate of reaction is called catalyst. The phenomenon is called catalysis. The phenomenon is called catalysis. Okay. Then for example, N2 gas plus 3H2 gas gives rise to 2NH3 gas. Okay. In this chemical reaction, iron can be used as, iron solid can be used as a catalyst. Iron can be used as a catalyst. The phenomenon, the phenomenon is called catalysis. So it is nothing but a catalyst. Okay. So here you have to know promoter. You have to know promoter. What is promoter means? The chemical substance which increases the activity of catalyst, which increase activity of catalyst, which increase activity of catalyst is called promoter. Okay. In this reaction is very slow. If it is a slow, catalyst is enough. If it is very slow, so promoter also required. Here we are using molybdenum, which is used as a promoter. In this reaction, very slow reaction it is, here molybdenum can be used as a promoter. Okay. If you take goods train which having many boxes, having much of load, one engine is not capable to pull, then what happened? One more engine we are going to add or not? Like that here. So if the reaction is a slow, catalyst is enough. If the reaction is a very slow, so promoter also required. Okay. Then you have to know poisons. It is not a perfume, it is a chemical substance. So what is a poison means? The substance, the chemical substance which decreases the activity of a catalyst is called poison. The chemical substance which decrease activity of catalyst, is called poison. For example, if you take SO2 gas plus O2 gas gives rise to 2SO3 gas. In this chemical reaction, platinum can be used as a promoter. Then here ASO3, it is poison which is does not used, it is present in the reaction. So ASO3 is nothing but ARSENIOUS, arsenious oxide. Arsenious oxide can be used as a poison. It is a poison. Okay, so arsenious oxide can be used as a poison. Next, you have to know autocatalysis. Autocatalysis. Okay, it is important. If you take a chemical reaction, in the beginning the chemical reaction is very slow. So after some time forming products, one of the product itself act as a catalyst, and then reaction rate will be increases. That phenomenon is called autocatalysis. Okay, so for example 2AsO3 gives rise to 2As plus 3. It is not oxygen, hydrogen. 2As 3AsH2 can be act as 3As and 3H2, 2AsH3. Okay, then 2As plus 3H2 AD are sign. So in the beginning it is very slow reaction. So after formation of arsenic, the reaction rate will be increases. So it can be act as autocatalyst. The phenomenon is called autocatalysis. So one more example the need is arise to discuss here. So that is KMnO4 plus H2SO4 plus FeSO4 gives rise to, for balancing 2, 8, 10 have to take, it gives rise to MnSO4 plus K2SO4, MnSO4, K2SO4, Fe2SO4 taken thrice plus H2O. It is 8, it is a 5, it is a 2 have to take. In the beginning the reaction is very slow. So after formation of Mn plus 2 ions, the reaction is very fast. It is nothing but autocatalyst. The phenomenon is called autocatalysis. Stand means. Next we are going to discuss types of catalysis. Okay, types of catalysis. See, how many types of catalysis we have means 2 types. The first one is homogeneous catalysis. Homogeneous catalysis. Okay, homogeneous catalysis. And what is homogeneous catalysis means? In a chemical reaction, reactants and catalyst are in same phase. The type of catalysis is called homogeneous catalysis. Reactants and catalyst reactants and catalyst are in same phase are called homogeneous catalysis. For example, see here 2SO2 plus O2 gives rise to 2SO3, gas. So this is nothing but a gas. We are using product means catalyst also in gaseous phase. For example, NO gas, if you use, then it is nothing but a homogeneous catalysis reaction. Here these two are reactants and it is a catalyst, are in gas, same phase na. So that's why it is a homogeneous catalysis. Okay, next it is a first one, next it is a second one. Okay, CH3COO-C2 H5 liquid adding H2O liquid in presence of HCl liquid, which is act as a catalyst. Here CH3COOH acetic acid plus C2H5OH, acetic acid is in liquid state and ethyl alcohol is in liquid state. Then here ethyl acetate, it is called ethyl acetate, it is called ethyl acetate, which is in liquid. It is acetic acid, it is ethanol, okay. And then third one is nothing but a C12H22O11 plus it is in aqueous sugar plus H2O liquid, then in presence of H2SO4 liquid, then which gives rise to C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. It is glucose, it is fructose, okay. It is aqueous and it is also aqueous, okay. So here sugar converts into glucose and fructose in presence of H2SO4 liquid act as a catalyst. So liquid, it is nothing but a catalyst. Reactants and catalysts are in same phase, that is nothing but a homogeneous catalysis. It's very important question for 4 marks. It is for 2 marks, okay. Then this is the way types of catalysis is first type of homogeneous. Next we are going to discuss one more type, that is heterogeneous. Next it is a first type. The second type is heterogeneous catalysis. Okay. So here reactants and products, and catalyst, reactants and catalyst are in different phase, a different phase. Okay, then this phenomenon is called heterogeneous catalysis. Okay, for example, two SO2 gas plus O2 gas gives rise to 2 SO3 gas. Okay, so here reactants are in gaseous phase. Here we are using NO gas. Instead of NO gas, I am taking platinum solid. So different phase. It is nothing but a heterogeneous equilibrium. Then second one, N2 gas plus 3H2 gas gives rise to 2NH3 gas. Okay, gas. Here we are using iron solid, can be act as a catalyst, different phase. Next, NH3 gas plus O2 gas 4, 5 gives rise to 4NO gas plus 6H2O gas. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 4N, 5 2s are 10, 4 plus 6 are 10. Here we are using platinum solid, gas, it is a solid. So platinum solid can be used as act as a catalyst. So here catalyst and reactants are different phase. Here. This is a heterogeneous catalysis. So what is catalysis? And mention the types of catalysis means. So this is types of catalysis, homogeneous and heterogeneous, very important for 4 marks. I given 3 examples, but you may write any 2 examples. Okay, that is enough. Next, we are going to discuss enzyme catalysis. So enzyme catalysis we are going to discuss. So first of all, you know what is enzyme? What is a enzyme? For BPC students, it is well known What? What is enzyme means? Enzymes are complex nitrogenous organic compounds which are produced by plants and animals. Okay, complex nitrogenous organic compounds which are produced by plants and animals are called enzymes. Or complex nitrogenous organic compounds. Organic compounds, okay, are produced by plants and animals. Okay, produced by plants and animals. Okay, then enzymes act as catalysts. Enzymes act as catalysts. Catalysts in biochemical reactions. Biochemical reactions. Okay, the reactions which proceed in biomolecules means living organisms are called biochemical reactions. Here enzymes act as a catalyst in biochemical reactions. So enzymes are also called biocatalysts. Okay, and these are also called biocatalysts. Biocatalysts. Okay, enzymes are highly specific. Why? Because one enzyme can be act as catalyst in one specific chemical reaction only. That's why we may say these are highly specific. Highly specific. Why? Because these enzymes can be act as a one chemical reaction, perfectly act as a catalyst in one specific chemical reaction, but not others. So here and these are ends with, every enzyme or ends with ASE. Okay, for example, invertase, zymase, next urease, all these are examples. Okay, so enzyme catalysis reactions we are going to discuss. Some examples, some enzyme catalysis reactions. Some enzyme catalysis reactions. Okay, first one, sucrose I am taking, C12H22O11, hydrolysis of water in presence of invertase, sucrose can be converts into C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. Okay, it is glucose, it is fructose, glucose and fructose. Okay, C6H12O6, C6H12O6. It is a glucose and it is a fructose. Here enzyme is invertase. So invertase can be act as a catalyst in this biochemical reaction. Only invertase can be act as a catalyst in this reaction only, but not other reactions. Here it is a sugar. Okay, and then one more reaction. If you take glucose C6H12O6, it can be converts J-Mage converts glucose into ethyl alcohol plus carbon dioxide. It is a liquid, it is a gas, it is nothing but ethanol. Okay, so here it is also specifically J-Mage converts glucose into ethyl alcohol. Okay, here if you take 2, then that is a balanced. So one more example we will discuss. Then urea, NH2CO, NH2, here urase, it is act as a catalyst, that is nothing but enzyme, converts into urea into ammonia and carbon dioxide, ammonia plus carbon dioxide. Okay, so balance this. If you take 2 2n, so 3 2 2 2 2 3 is 6, CO plus O, CO2. Okay, it is a ammonia, then adding H water means hydrolysis of ammonia in presence of urase, which gives ammonia plus carbon dioxide, which gives ammonia plus carbon dioxide, which is a gas. Okay, see this is one more example. So here in our stomach, pepsin enzyme is present, which converts proteins into amino acids, proteins into amino acids, which converts pepsin. Okay, it is also enzyme. Source of stomach, proteins converts into amino acids. These are enzyme catalysis. Okay, so what we discussed in this class means Teachers Day special class it is. So what we discussed means catalysis, poison, promoter, types of catalysis and enzyme catalysis. Okay, time to leave.